It's dinner time. The dog's very hungry. Okay, what are we starting with? Carrot. Gonna wait for her to come back for more. She's back for more. All right, we'll do celery now. She's eating in dining room, just like she should. You're back for more? Okay. We're going to do cabbage, but we'll do a small piece because this is gonna be too much. So here you go. Oh yeah, this is too small for her to even take it to the dining room, so she's gonna finish right here. Time for last piece. The best one. Oh, yum, broccoli. And dining room again.